Hey everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to find your CIT Bank account number but not sure where to look? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all the easy methods to find your account number, whether you're using the mobile app, online banking, or paper documents. I will also walk you through the step-by-step process to find it using online banking. Let's get started. Before we explain the step-by-step process to find your account number through online banking, let's go over a few simple methods that can help you find your CIT Bank account number. The first option shown in this slide is the bank statement. If you've downloaded your bank statement using CIT mobile banking or online banking, you will find your full account number in the statement. The second method is online banking, which we will explain step by step later. The third method is mobile banking, where you can use the app on your phone to find your CIT Bank account number. The fourth option is checks. If you have checks from CIT Bank, your full account number is printed on them. Apart from that, the fifth option is to contact customer service. You can speak to CIT Bank customer support and get your full account number from them as well. So these were the 5 ways to easily find your CIT Bank account number. Now let's talk about how to find your CIT Bank account number using online banking. The first step is to open the official CIT Bank website in your browser and click on the sign in button, just like you can see in this picture. As soon as you click the sign in button, you will be asked to choose your account type. If you use a personal bank account, click on online banking. If you use a commercial account, you can select one of the other 2 options. For personal banking, you need to click on online banking. Once you click on online banking, you'll be asked to enter your user ID and password and then click on the sign in button. Once you click sign in, your CIT Bank online banking account will be logged in, and the interface will look something like this. Your name, the last 4 digits of your account number, and other account information will be visible here. From here, click on your bank account, just like it is shown in this image. Once you click on your bank account, you will see all the details of your account, like routing number, nickname, account number, and available balance. But here too, only the last 4 digits of your account number will be visible. To see the full account number, you need to click on Show Account Numbers. As soon as you click on Show Account Numbers, your full CIT Bank account number will appear on the screen. You can note it down and use it wherever needed. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your full CIT Bank account number